Next video. In today's video I will show you how to display how to do augmented reality inside a web app. So I'm not talking about a mobile app or a native app. I'm talking about a web app or a web application or a website. But there are a few caveats. The first caveat is that this web application will only run on iOS or iPad OS, and the second caveat is that it can only run from iOS 13 or above. And the third one is that while displaying an augmented reality screen, it will display in its own custom screen, so you won't be able to, you can customize the 3D model which you are trying to display in the augmented reality, but you won't be able to customize the whole screen. So you will get an idea on what I am talking about. So let's get started. So what I have done is that, so first of all, the 3D model should be in UHDZ format, and that is the only 3D model format officially supported by Apple. And so here I am on Apple's developer website, and you can download any 3D model which you want. There is also something called reality files. So these are some kind of reality files. So if you have those reality files, you can do augmented reality stuff as well. Or if you have a 3D model which is in UHDC format, you can do 3D augmented reality stuff as well. The code is pretty simple. Forget everything, like, so if you see my project, so it can work with React.js, Vue.js, or normal HTML project as well. So forget this Firebase everything. Okay, so this is only, I have used this only because uh, I wanted to deploy it to a live server or to a live URL. This is not possible to, you can't test it on Mac OS or a desktop, because desktop does not support augmented reality. So I had to deploy it to some server, and Firebase provides a free tier. That's why I quickly deployed it to Firebase. But you can use anything you want. You can use your own server or Elastic Beanstalk, whatever. All you have to do is that, so inside my public folder I have created one index.html file, and this is no normal HTML file template. All you have to do, you have to take an anchor tag and pass the reality file. I have passed the reality file over here, and in second one I have passed the UHDZ file, which is the 3D format file as well. And you have to add rel equal to ar. Okay, and inside, as well as I have taken this image src. Okay, I have given some image, and clicking on that image will actually open this reality file or this UHDZ 3D model inside augmented reality. Okay, and here you can see I have taken that reality file, and this is the UHDZ model which is present. One more file which is very important is this .ht access, and here in .ht access you have to add these two lines. Okay, so if you are using just UHDC, you can just add this line. If you are using just reality files, just add this line. But I am using both, so I have added both the lines. Next, next deploy it to whatever server you want, and I will just quickly show you the output. So here you can see there is this image. So first is this aeroplane image, as well as a sneaker image, plane image, and it takes a little time to load the 3D model. But here you can see there is this AR and object stuff. So that's what I'm saying, you won't be able to customize it much, because underneath it uses AR quick look, which is only present on iOS and iPad OS. Okay, so as a developer you don't have to write much code, but you won't be able to customize this screen itself, but you can customize your 3D model however you want. So here you can see I have deployed this aeroplane, as well as I will show you of the sneaker as well. So here you can see the sneaker, I can rotate it, move it, zoom in, zoom out, whatever. Okay, and also one thing to note is that there is this augmented reality, I don't know, there is this symbol about the image. So this tells you that this is an augmented reality thing. And I also, this thing only works on Safari browser as far as I know. I'm not sure whether this will work on Chrome or Firefox, but I am using Safari and it works for me. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.